Today I'm going to show you how to remove a PCM and put a new one in on an 03 Ford Expedition. First off, you remove these connectors. And they can be fun sometimes. Gonna need a little tool for that. Okay, get a few tools together. Okay, got to kind of pry on this little bracket. You pry it out a little bit, then pull it out gently. There you go, there's one. Gently move the bracket back and pull it out. Gently move the bracket back. It's brittle plastic, you don't want to break it, so you pull all three out. Of course, the first thing you do is make sure your battery is disconnected. You got to have your negative battery terminal disconnected. Or in my case, I have the battery turned off. Next thing, 2 bolts. And let's see what size they are. 2 10mm bolts. So, let's take them off. 2 10mm bolts. Get them loose. Then I'll use a power tool to take them off quickly. There's one. Just put the bolt up here. There's 2. Put the bolt up there. Then grab the PCM and pull it out. Now let's take out the new one. New PCM from the bag. Whatever you do, do not touch any of the terminals because they're electrostatic discharge sensitive. So you must be careful how you touch and handle computers because they're ESD sensitive. So now, put the computer back in, put them back in the clips, take those fasteners, put them back in, get them finger started, and get the tool and put them in the rest of the way. There we go, 1, 2. Okay, now put those connectors back in nice and gently, just as you did, and put the clips on. So press them in gently, line them up, push the clip on. Gently press it in, put the clip on. Okay, got the new PCM installed. Now it's time to get battery power again. So either put your negative terminal back on, or in my case, turn on the battery switch, because I have a battery disconnect switch. Turn it on. Now, let's see if we get action. Okay. Uh-oh. All right. We're not getting action right now. So let's see what is wrong. Got the new PCM installed. Everything's put in. Everything's installed. I'm going to check and see if we have how much power is to the battery. Okay, we have power. Well, we have power to the battery. Looks like everything's connected correctly. Well, I showed you how to change a PCM. However, for some reason, the car is not coming back to life. So, more troubleshooting. I have a feeling it could be the fuse box, because they go out a lot on these vehicles. So, that's probably the next thing. Well, you guys have a great day, and mad boosting.